The first key to unraveling the mystery of habits is understanding the habit loop. Habits consist of three components: the cue or trigger, the routine or behavior, and the reward. This loop is at the core of habit formation. Imagine a habit like checking your phone when it buzzes, which is cue, scrolling through notifications. This is routine, and experiencing a sense of connection or satisfaction, which is reward. This loop is the foundation of habit formation. Habits often start with a cue, a trigger that initiates the routine. Cues can be external, like a specific time of day, or internal, like an emotional state. Recognizing your habitual cues is crucial in understanding and modifying your habits. Consider feeling stressed, cue, and automatically reaching for a snack. Routine to alleviate the stress. Identifying and understanding these cues that trigger the urge to snack empower you to break the habit loop and replace the routine with a healthy alternative like fresh fruits or vegetables, which provides a balance of nutrients and can contribute to a healthier lifestyle when incorporated into a well-rounded diet. The reward is the brain's way of reinforcing the habit loop. It's the positive outcome that your brain associates with the routine, making you more likely to repeat it. Understanding the reward helps you decode the underlying motivations of your habits. Picture the satisfaction you feel after completing a workout, or winning a competition, or helping others. This is due to the release of feel-good neurotransmitter from our brain's reward system, leading to the release of dopamine. This positive feeling reinforces the habit of doing more workout, winning more competition, or helping more people, making it more likely for you to repeat the routine if you are trying to establish a certain habit. For example, reading before bed. By recognizing the positive feelings and relaxation you experience after reading, you reinforce the habit loop, making it more likely to become a consistent routine. Habits become ingrained through repetition. The more frequently you perform a routine in response to a specific cue, the stronger the habit becomes. Repetition rewires the neural pathways in your brain, making the habit more automatic. Imagine consistently practicing a new habit, like daily meditation. Over time, the repetition strengthens the habit loop, making meditation a more natural and automatic part of your routine. Habits are intricately tied to the habit loop cues, routines, and rewards. Understanding this loop empowers you to modify and create habits that align with your goals and values.